Okay, now if you can tell what I'm doing, the little bowl shape, I've put one of these kind of petals, I glued it to it. Just right down the middle. And then I'm going to put one going the opposite direction. Just with some hot glue. And my petal things are shaped this way. I was trying to do it with like holding them together with a rubber band in the middle, a whole bunch of these. And it didn't work, so I ended up just having to take them out of that and do it this way. I should probably have. And when I melted these, I didn't melt the part like right in the middle. I think I got it zoomed in too much. Because I want it kind of flat in this center part. And if it, you know, got all folded, it'd make it lumpier. So now I'll put another one going this way. And I'm putting the glue all the way to the edges. Because I don't want it too floppity. I could use this lighter. Squish down hot glue, reckon that's a good idea. And then I'll put this in, going opposite. And this material is just something. It was a curtain I'd got at a thrift store. I thought it was really pretty. And then instead of going the same direction as my first one, I guess I'll go between these two petals with the next one. I'd laid some over here, so I got some more to work with. They had a lot of the pretty red color, so I laid them aside. Did I reburn them? Maybe I didn't. Some more hot glue. So I'm gonna continue this. And yeah, I think I didn't melt these a second time, so I'll melt these a second time since I got a good candle, and then I'll glue them in here and I'll start recording again and show you what my next layer will be. Okay, this is what I've got so far. You can see the little bowl thing I made on the bottom, and then there's the petals. And I had made this earlier, and it's a bunch of, well, I'll show you. It's a bunch of scraps from some window shears that I had got at Goodwill or thrift store. And what I did, I just had a bunch of strips of it, and I put one of those little black hair rubber bands that I got at Walmart. I just put it around all the strips, and then okay, I've got that glued in. I actually glued it in and took it back out because I thought I'd forgot something, but I didn't. That's why all these little feathery looking pieces are around. I've got this piece. I forget what it was on a little vest, and it looks like feathers, but it's polyester or acetate, or I don't know. And I was thinking I skipped it, but I'll probably, I don't really remember what I had planned, but I'll probably put it around the bottom. And so when I cut it, all these little things started floating around. So now, let me set that aside. I tied a little knot. It's down in. And I'm going to do it like I did the burlap. Kind of roll a little flower. Let me put a little glue there. Okay, let me try again. I'm going to make the flower center. Fold that back, roll it. Fold it back and roll it. And I'm going to try to, I want it kind of flat. So I'm going to try to keep it up high. Fold it back and roll it. And I probably need to stop and add a little glue before I lose control. roll it, fold it back, roll it, fold it back, glue it. There's my point. And then you get those little corners after you fold it. I'm going to glue it again. And then I'm going to hold it the way I like to hold it once I get it going. It seems like I have more control than by holding it by this tail. I'm going to put my thumb in the middle of the flower. Work with it that way. Fold it back. That's a big fold. And roll it. And I'm going to keep this up until I have it made. I'm going to make stuff through all that. Okay, I got my flower center made. I got a little glue there. Hopefully I can pick it off. And here's the little tail I had when I started. And I'm going to go in, glue all this down. Okay, now I'm going to cut that off. And that's what we got. I was going to make it smaller, and then I noticed I was getting some purple on the edge, and the center's purple, so I kept going a little bit. And okay, so here's what we were working on. And then this will sit right in the middle. I'm trying to decide if it'll look good with some of these added. So let's see. Let's just lay them in here. Get some of these skinny ones. I think it would if I made them shorter. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I think it looks good like that. And so, put a bunch of glue on this. Try to get it in the center. Okay. Okay, what I decided to do is just where I have the little bowl is find a place where it's not connected with the glue and glue it in there, and then it'll just barely show around the edge. Oh man, cutting it in all those little pieces, I've made a mess. Okay, let's see, where was that spot? So right there, I'll put some glue. That's a cute little vest. Okay, now I'll find, there's another little opening. Say the bowl right there. I wonder how far apart. Maybe right here. Get it up in there. That's all shabby looking, so it don't matter if they're different sizes or sticking out further. It's shabby. See, so far it's looking good. Probably gonna need to cut some more and make a bigger mess. Let's see. That's what I've got so far. Okay. And then I'll get a top view up here. We can see it better. Maybe I'll shake all these feathers off and set it on the tablecloth. Okay, I've changed mine again. I've took this off, and I am going to put the extra petals on. Thought I was going to destroy the little flower, I'm always changing my mind. But, let me get this off. So I'll do that. And I cut them shorter. I took about that much off. So they're shorter than the original petals. And I'm not going to put the glue all the way to the edge since I got the beige fluffy stuff there. I don't have my lighter over here to poke it down with. Maybe, and I had to reburn the edges. Maybe I'll get good at burning or melting these edges and just make a detailed video about that. But I'm kind of new to it. I'll put one going that way. I'm just alternating them. Alright. Put one going this way. Okay, here's the last one of these. Let's see, I better go that way. I should have. Well, that'll be covered. Alright. I don't even know if much of that in the sheer fabric will show, but. Okay. Now we'll glue this again. Yeah, that was rough getting that out. I'm thinking I might add something in the middle. A little pearl or jewel, I don't know. But that's what I got so far. And I'll probably leave it just like it is. But I'll hold the camera up and show you. I think it turned out pretty. Not too bad for my first flower made that way. I'll keep practicing and I'll be making more videos. So I hope you hit like and I hope you subscribe. Okay, and here's how it looks sitting on this cushion. It turned out so pretty.